Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to add credit card to QuickBooks Online. Now, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open your QuickBooks account and log in into your account. And now what you should do is simply go to transactions. And after you click on transactions, you'll have to choose from this options menu, choose bank transitions. And now it will show you this page. Just tap on connect account, or simply if you have a transaction sheet and you want to upload, you can click on upload transactions. But here in our video, we are going to connect our account or add a credit card. So click on connect account. It will show you here this menu. You will have to search for your bank in this search bar right here. So after you search on your bank, it will be displayed just like so. And now after you choose your bank, you will now have to sign in into your bank account. Then click on connect. Then here it will show you a verification method according to your bank. So this step is dependent on what is your verification method that is available in your bank. So sometimes in some banks, they will ask for SMS to your mobile phone, or email to your Gmail, or a voice call to your phone number. And after that, they will give you a verification code. So you'll have to enter the verification codes right here, then click on connect. And now you are all done. Now we have connected to your bank. But this is not all, because we want to add our credit card. And that's why it will show you here all the accounts that you have in your bank account. So if you have a checking account, if you have a personal saving account, if you have a credit card or debit card, all will be displayed just like so. So simply select the accounts or the cards that you want to add just like so. And here you will see choose account type option beside each account or each card. Simply click on this arrow and choose whether this account is a checking, savings, credit card, money market, or trust account. And after that, you'll have to choose which date they will use in order to pull transactions from. So you'll have to enter a date down below just right here, then click on connect, and you're all done. Now they will show you all the transactions from your credit card or from your account. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with a like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.